DJ Freestyle represent DP4, yeah, your boy.
It's a lot of fuck niggas in the club tonight. Fuck 'em. But it's gonna be alright. Cause me and my clique, we don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck, nigga. Trick Daddy. Look John. Look John. If you know that you can get it, let me know. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go. If you know that you can get it, let me know. Let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga up. Let's go.
If you want some, come get some. Cause where I'm from, we so big gun. And everybody knows somebody that knows somebody that knows something about it. And I want answers now. Who, what, where, and why? See, a lot of dudes like to act the fool now. Get on live, but that ain't my style. Now who he gon' get and what he gon' do? Run up on me if you want to.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist.
Yeah, DP4, holla.
Yeah.